So I guess I've been interested in trading for probably 20 or 30 years, but hadn't really found myself in a position to pursue it. Had done a very minor amount of research a long time ago, and then just kind of parked the whole thing. But more recent times, I actually had a colleague that was doing your course, and after a discussion with him, I looked into it further and took the plunge. We had a chap at work who was his profession as a trainer, and he'd done a lot of research, and at the time I think you were one of the only RTO accredited trainers, and so I took that as being a really good testimonial. And so then for me the research beyond that was quite minor, and chose Wealth Within. I think without question you need to do a professional education. So I have met people privately who are trading with no background whatsoever, and it frightens me now. They're on a wing and a prayer. And sometimes it happens, and more often than not it doesn't. So I think absolutely you need to pursue your own education. And you know, I did a handful of trades probably while I was in module 3, and when I got into module 4 I regretted having done that. Not that they were bad trades, but I perhaps made the decisions for the wrong reasons, and now I would have a completely different outlook on how to approach those trades. I certainly have. The props perhaps not quite as well formulated as they should be, but I definitely have an intention to start actively trading. So whether that be short, medium or long is a little bit up for speculation still, but short-term goal is to finish the course without being sidetracked too much by trading, but then to actively become involved in the market. Yes, I feel a level of confidence that I've built knowledge. Quite recently I looked back and thought, I've actually put a lot of time into this now, and I can see the benefits of all that time. So, you know, a couple of students and I were talking about doing the charts by hand, and we categorically agreed that we were better having done that process than just picking up the bar charts on the screen. So I think the structure and taking it step by step is absolutely important. My experience with Wealth Within has been nothing but positive. So I'm actually really impressed. I think now that I'm in module 4 and I'm looking at the trading essentials, the big bonus for that has been more hearing an explanation, which is what you don't get with your contact hours. So I'm looking at things, seeing the same things get drawn on the chart that I would perhaps draw, but I'm getting a full, deep explanation of why those things are there and what things they're signaling or triggering or whatever. So I would speak very highly of Wealth Within. If I came across someone who was looking to learn to trade, I would have no hesitation in recommending Wealth Within. It's amazing listening to a professional trader who's doing what you're aspiring to do and hearing it firsthand. So I'm actually really enjoying that. And also I think the magnitude of how well you can do has only recently become really aware to me, really apparent. And part of that is talking to the panel last night. You know, you've got a guy that did 38% in a 12-month window. That is just amazing. And how good would it be to do that yourself?